In this video, we'll go over a quick explanation of how the Uber policy works with your personal auto insurance policy. Obviously, when you're not driving for Uber and don't have the app on, your personal auto insurance would be responsible and not their insurance. Pretty simple. When you've turned the app on and you're waiting for a fare, their contingent auto liability coverage applies. So basically, if your policy denies the claim, they will provide only $50,000 per person of liability coverage, $100,000 for all people involved, and $25,000 of property damage coverage. So notice there's no uninsured motorist coverage on this policy at all, and you've got limited liability. So if you total a 2015 Mercedes worth 90 grand, you're on the hook big time for everything above the 25,000. Also notice there's not any coverage for your car as far as physical damage is concerned. So if your car is destroyed, even if it's not your fault, if the other person doesn't have any insurance and you were driving for Uber, there's not coverage provided by either policy for replacing or repairing your vehicle. Once you've accepted a trip and you're going to pick up your passenger and you're driving them around until you end the trip, there's much better liability coverage and much better uninsured motorist coverage, $1 million for liability and $1 million for uninsured motorist. And you also have comprehensive and collision coverage with a $1,000 deductible. This still may not be as good as your existing policy. You might have lower deductibles. Also, there's no rental car coverage, so no replacement for the 3 weeks while your vehicle is being repaired. And other optional coverages you might have, gap coverage, roadside, and those kinds of things. So understand there are some pretty significant limitations when you're driving for Uber, depending on your auto insurance policy. Hopefully in the next couple of months and years, there'll be Uber endorsements that come out for existing auto policies. We've heard them coming soon, but it's middle of September in 2016, and as of yet, there aren't very many that I'm aware of. So if you have questions on this, feel free to give us a call, 850-329-6996, or send us a message through the website. We'll be glad to help out any way we can.